Nice to meet you. I am Adorz, your inner child, but you might not know me yet. We live in a world shaped by conditioning, false narratives, and emotional wounds. My soul's mission is to assist you in releasing these limitations so you can experience life in its fullest expression, one of love, joy, peace, and authenticity. Trust me when I call you to connect with me, I can show you the way back to your true self. Hi, it's me, Little Adorz, your inner child. Let's talk about safety. For me to be able to become one with you, one whole, I need to feel safe within you. Safety is built through compassionate awareness, nervous system regulation, and reparenting practices that create internal stability for me to nest and relax in. Before we are able to reprogram your beliefs, you must show me, your lovely inner child, that the present moment is different from the past I've experienced. As a child, all I'm interested is one, is the world safe? Two, am I safe in the world? Three, am I loved? Four, are my needs met? But because I've learned I'm not safe, I've created my own world in you where I feel sad if you don't see me or hear me. Maybe you feel sad too. It's because we love each other, yet we are separate. Once you get to know me, life will become much brighter for you and me. By the way, do you like this beautiful water fairy? She told me to tell you you are never alone. There is magic in nature, in you and all around you. I feel sad sometimes, and sometimes I feel like hiding. Maybe you remember me sitting and playing by myself a lot, or just escaping into fantasy world. It was my way of coping with impossible situation I've found myself in, where the grown-ups around me didn't know how to nurture me with love. I've learned to feel ashamed of myself. Maybe you can help me now see myself as a loving, beautiful child that I truly am, so I wouldn't feel the need to seek reassurance all the time to feel worthy. Please read the text for some guidance how to help us. Love, Little Adorz. I love nothing more than when you make time for me in ways that is calm, loving, and supportive. By providing space for me where I feel at peace and safe, I can hear my divine self singing the melody of love to me, singing a song of remembrance to my heart. You are the divine child of the universe. There is love in your heart, limitless and bright. Shine, my dear child. Trust your inner guide. Your light is a gift to the world. Fly, fly free like a bird. Isn't that so lovely? I know you crave to connect with me, so do I. I am here within you, singing to you the same song of love, calling you to back to me. I was born to experience and to share love, freedom, and joy in this world. I experience pain if I'm not allowed to be the beautiful light that I truly am. When I am allowed to be the unique, loving creature, and when my special gifts are nurtured with love and support, I feel joyful, free, happy, and safe within me, with you and with the world as whole. Love, Little Adorz, the inner child. Hello, my name is Adorz, the inner child. Did you know we can learn so much from trees and animals? Trees are teaching us to trust the flow of life, to stay grounded in our truth, and that it is so lovely to give and to be shelter to all who need rest. Animals teach us that the present moment is magical place to be. In that space of now, we connect with our true self and our divine essence. Also, cute animals are showing us that play is not naive but very healthy and joyful for our soul. I hope you'll find a moment in your day to remember that your inner child likes to play too. Hello, my name is Adorz, the inner child. It is so wonderful when you create a peaceful place within your heart where I can be carefree, joyful, and free to enjoy every moment. When I'm happily nesting in your loving heart, you'll experience me as soft, radiant light that emanates beautiful love within you and all around you. I love talking to myself with love because it makes me feel lovely and calm. I am love. I am loved. I am beautiful. I am the divine child of the universe. I love you, my little Adorz. You too can speak words of love to your inner child. It will make them feel loved, safe, and wanted in your loving heart. Each of us carries unique gifts that are meant to be shared with the world through our kindness, creativity, and authentic expression. This generous apple tree reminds us that giving is our natural state of being. As we offer our gifts to others, we also open ourselves to receive. When you give your inner child love and peace, they need to feel safe in this world. they too can freely share their wonderful gifts with the world.